Hey, give it a little rev, so the before and after.
Before?
Before?
It sounds good. It's just not loud.
It's not even registered yet. Oh, almost there. I need a new jack, dude.
Who's that?
It's me.
Who's you?
Landos' new exhaust. Sheesh. I might have to get a Mustang. It's like easy to work on. These came off easy. Lando's already got it pretty much off. Kind of holding the camera weird, but it's just from like right here. 2.5. Ah! Right here and then all the way back. Hey Mike, say what's up to the YouTube. Okay. I think you can see from there.
Where you want me? I'm on the other side. Huh? On the other side by him.
Or
Where you
just slide
just
in right
were.
here. I just go in the other side.
You know what's bad too? I got like 30 miles till empty.
Nice, man.
So it's going. It's out on this side. It just needs to come up from this side.
No! Why'd you put it back in? Fuck.
Whose side went in? Mike's or yours?
Mike's was already
They're both
out.
in.
Oh,
Mine went back in though.
God. Maybe spit on it?
Let's try this.
Yeah, that might work.
There we go. Keep going.
I'm
Mine's
trying.
out.
My leg doesn't extend that much.
Keep pointers out. Push the
You hit
one
it
up.
with like a mallet?
God. I ain't got no mallets.
I just saw you. There's one right there.
That's a hammer.
Same thing.
Uh,
It's a little whack. Oh, mommy's way?
ow. My foot's cramping. Ah! Ow.
But
Man, who the fuck designed the comment?
Get good, Ozzy. Mine's out.
Ah! I was thinking this was going a little too easy.
I'm sucking Mike if he gets this side off.
I beg your pardon?
Oh, God.
Get strong, Mike.
You're a pussy's all I'm saying.
Oh, is it coming?
No.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, it's coming.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, it is.
Fuck no, it ain't.
Ozzy's kind of blind.
Look, yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Go, go.
I let pressure off. It didn't go anywhere.
Sorry. On this video of how many guys does it take to change an exhaust? Is it moving at all?
Mm-mm.
There you go. It's in there though.
Okay, hang on. Fuck the stock exhauster, right? I don't live in California.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. It's not running anymore.
Oh,
It's loud a bit though.
It's like this right now. It's like
Can you pull it
Hold
back in here over there? This car's gonna fall on us. That shit's almost out.
dude, just hit it or something.
Hit it, Britton. Con huevos, pendejo!
how many people does it take to take an exhaust off a Mustang?
Should only take one, but we got 5.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Mark Flurry.
Hey.
You've been doing
fucking Just do it.
with them.
Some brodies.
Hey yo, gay best friend check.
We're still here.
Is the passenger side out?
Yeah.
It's out. Okay.
What do you have to say?
I just got here and it's like a movie.
I'm just here for
Content.
Oh wait, is that the?
Well, we're at that point.
Alrighty.
Finally.
So yeah, it goes. It goes this.
It's
way,
coming
so
off now.
slide that and then turn.
Okay, we gotta bend that back.
Hey, Lando, how you feel?
Fuck that, dude.
You?
Hated that. Fuck a Mustang.
Hey. It's off.
Start it! Yeah, go! It's squirting in my face! Give it a little rev, give it a little rev! That sounds good! I'm not leaving it like that.
Hey guys. Over here, hand threading a bolt. You can't.
No way! I warned him!
You fell for
That shit was wet as fuck.
Let me smell it.
I mean, licking up there. No, you don't want to smell that one.
What's going on?
This is a crazy deal.
Give me an update, give me an update, give me an update.
It's not going good.
Yeah. Looks good. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Rev it! Dude. Yup, hey, we're gonna get Lando's reaction.
I gotta pee, man!
We're just gonna finish getting some day clothes before the sun goes down. I wish I knew you wanted me. Hey, sorry you can't pee there. Yeah!
I don't even know what to say.
Just go get in. Or give me a little revs here and then go up and down.
Then I'll do a lunge.
Yeah, in the tunnel.
That tunnel, wait.
I'm wanting to finish this video. Cal, close your door. Hold on tight. It sounds so good. It's so loud. Sounds so good, guys. I don't know, for anybody that's watching this that has a Mustang, I'd get it. If I had a Mustang personally, I would too. It makes it sound so much better. He's getting headers too, so it should be a lot louder. We're gonna stand in the middle of the road so we can get hit, feel something. Ah, this car got in the way. Sounds so good, it just screams. Gets my blood pumping. Oh, I backfired. Yeah, yeah. Guys, these seats for the rear though, ain't not it. Control. See? House part 35. Oh my god. That second one caught me.
has like an access port in it, because like you know how access port you can set your launch control.
Yeah.
This one it just doesn't do the like rev bounce. It actually holds
No,
your yeah. That corner was 80. Control. It says track only. Was that on the track?
Yeah, they street you something.
That was definitely on the track.
Damn, we're doing this, guys, with no gas in his car. Look, show them, no gas.
I know my car, trust me.
Even the gas lights on. On this episode of Kel liking cock and ball torture. What? You say yes?
Mm-mm.
Did you tell them that we had... this is a completely separate month from when we put the exhaust on?
Oh yeah, guys, it's been like maybe a month.
It has been.
It has been a month
Yeah.
since we put the exhaust on now, and it should not take you guys that long to how long it took us to take off the stock exhaust. It was your stock?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Man, these back seats. Jesus.
Not it.
If you're a girl and you want your back broken or blown out, just get in someone's Mustang. Or Lando can break your back out.
Even on a house, bro.
Yeah,
Like
some of them
100
are like $200,000-$300,000. Like a mint condition, just an Impala, like not even like on juice or anything. Crazy.
The fucking hydraulics alone are like.
Oh, it didn't work.
Why
like
did
they
you
in
do
the video. Oh. Let's see if it cleans it. Oh, I got in my ear. Hey guys, welcome to another fucking video. We're here. We're gonna be sucking Kel off in this car. Un grito, un grito, un grito.
I want cock and ball torture.
Okay.
What about this guy?
No, okay. No. You're done.
You're done fucked up.
What's up?
He said Tandem Donuts right here.
Oh, here, let me get that for you, sir.
Oh, thanks.
Damn, taking the G, he's gonna swing it for you guys.
I don't know about that. What up, YouTube?
He don't know anymore.
He should know. He's about that life.
Keep it straight. Right here though. Oh fuck. Oh.
Bro, fuck this. This is ass. Hold on to your cameras, guys. Oh my god. Left, right?
Left, yeah, my bad.
Dude, Ozzy sucks that direction.
Dude, it's good. Tayden, over the bumps by the little like mall, he tried not like hitting it, and he like hella swerved around it.
I was like, oh shit! You want to go to Chipotle, way? Chipotle is just right in that area where we were just at. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why didn't you just take us to Chipotle then?
Cause I.
Right here. I don't think I've ever seen this shit. Never.
You might want to angle.
Oh my god! Oh my god. Where's all the bombs at, bro? What's super chicks?
Super dicks. Whoa, dude.
You like dick?
Yeah. Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.